Coughing is mostly caused by viral infections or common colds. It can also be due to excessive smoking or health issues like tuberculosis, asthma, and lung cancer. A cough is a throat-clearing reflex that helps clear irritating substances and blockages from your breathing tract. In other words, coughing is your body's means of eliminating foreign particles and microbes from your respiratory passage. Here are some simple home remedies to help you stop coughing fast without medicine. 1. Using DIY cough syrup. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 7 or 8 of cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 cup of water. Directions: pour 1 cup of water into a pan and turn on the heat. Add a few cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper to the water. Bring it to a boil. Turn the heat down to low and allow the benefits of the herbs to infuse into the water for 2 minutes. Strain the syrup into a bottle and store it. While facing coughing trouble, just warm 2 teaspoons of the syrup. Mix in 1 teaspoon honey. Drink this at least 2 times a day. Note: only add honey after warming the syrup. 2. Using ginger, lemon, and honey tea. Ingredients: 4 or 5 pieces of ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, half of lemon, 1 cup of water. Directions: pour 1 cup of water into a pan and turn on the heat. Add 4 or 5 pieces of ginger and bring it to a boil. Simmer and allow the ginger to infuse in the water for 5 minutes or until you get a strong aroma. Strain the liquid to separate the ginger pieces from the infused water. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of 1/2 of a lemon to the ginger-infused water. Drink this concoction 3 or 4 times daily for relief from persistent coughing, congestion. 3. Using apple cider vinegar and honey. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or ACV, 1 tablespoon of honey, water. Directions: pour 2 tablespoons of ACV and 1 teaspoon of honey into a glass of water and mix it well. Drink this concoction once daily. 4. Using herbal tea. Ingredients: a few sprigs of thyme, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 cup of water. Directions: pour 1 cup of water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Add a few sprigs of thyme. Turn the heat down to low and allow the richness of the thyme to steep in the water for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the liquid into a cup. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink this tea 3 or 4 times a day. 5. Using Vicks on your feet. Put a small amount of Vicks on your palm and rub it on each foot before going to bed. Pull on socks and wear them throughout the night. Repeat this for 4 days to feel a considerable relief from coughing. Rubbing Vicks on the chest also helps a great deal in relieving a cough. Caution: Vicks is not recommended for children under 4 years of age. Here are some additional tips. Increase your fluid intake to stay hydrated, as this helps in nursing your cough. Avoid carbonated drinks and citrus juices. Taking warm baths and showers is an effective way to treat coughing. And the last, avoid eating cold foods. Will you giving any of these recipes a try? Let us know in our comments section. If you like this video, share it with your friends.